Good afternoon. I am coming to you from the heart of Indiana. We are in Greensburg, Indiana, out on yet another road trip across the United States, having a good old time. We are getting ready to go inside and get checked into the Holiday Inn Express here. From the outside, the hotel looks pretty nice. So do you guys know what Holiday Inn Express is famous for? You're going to want to stay tuned to find out. Alright guys, let's go get checked in. Let's go make some memories.
So coming through the front, here's the lobby. They have a little store on the side too. And a nice coffee station. I love this coffee station. I can't wait to try this coffee. And then they have the pool right here off the lobby area and a little sitting area with the dining. They have charging stations there, which I think is pretty cool. Here's the kitchen area where you sit and eat. But I love these little charging stations right here. And this is the business center. So all of it is in one small little area. The pool is closed right now, but I will show you. You can see it. And it does have a little hot tub, which is really cool. He just closed it up. That would have been nice for a dip. Then you have the downstairs bathrooms, men and women. And the ice station and vending, and they have a water fountain. These you don't always see anymore, which I think is cool to still see them. A drink, a bottle is $1.75, so not bad. Some options, good options. And the stairs, okay. I don't know if there's any guest laundry here. Probably not, if I had to guess, but we can peek anyway. Oh, there's a fitness center. Let's go see it. Okay, lights come on automatically at the fitness center. They have some towels, the control for the TV, another water fountain, sanitizing station. I always check them. Okay, it's working, that's good. Some weights. Oh, yeah, get it. Okay, bench, a scale that I will avoid. Here they have the cycle machine, a treadmill, and one of these like pedal bike thingies. And that's it. The mirror, yoga ball mat. Very simple, but it gets the job done if you want to come in and get some exercise. We should all do a little exercise, right? Yep. Then down this hallway, I don't think there's a guest laundry, but I'll look anyway, because why not? You guys enjoy these moments with me. It doesn't always have to be the end, does it? Leave it in the comments. You like when I talk. Admit it. Anyway, let's see. All the way down. Nope. Let's see. Is it just stairs? Is it just stairs? It is. Okay. All right. So since that was the end of the building in the lobby area, it's just that one small building and there's no other doors. Then I'm going to assume there's no laundry, but I will double check. If there is, I will find it.
Yeah, it's been long.
These hallways are really dark. That's the one thing I did notice. They're really dark. But the room itself looks very nice. Hopefully it is, because I haven't checked any of it yet. I literally think we're the last room. Oh boy. Okay, here we go. Room 330. Got a little do not disturb sign going. All right, so the maximum daily rate for this room is $350. Checkout is at 11. We'll start off with the bathroom. It does have a wastebasket, the hair dryer, a wall of Dove hand wash and body lotion, so that's good. They have makeup removers and some tissues, toilet paper, the toilet, shower. The little drain thing is loose. Here they have shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. I'm looking to see if it's dirty or cracked. It might be a little wear and tear on it mostly. There are some hairs throughout. Those are harder to get, so I try to be understanding. But, so overall it looks alright, but not great. There's the mirror, full length mirror there. And then over here, we already have our luggage, but it does have a full length mirror right here. Across from it, it has a mini fridge that feels very good and cold, so I will be putting stuff in here for sure. Here's my coffee. They do have a microwave. Clean overall. Looks like it's working. Ooh, I love this coffee. Love staying here when they have Keurig machines. I love that. So much happier than those little pouches at other places. Okay, here's another wastebasket. And I like that there's lighting here. Above the entertainment center here. Here's the room. There are 2 queen size beds, an outlet here, the thermostat here. We have it on auto right now, cooling. Looks like it goes down pretty far, which is good. Ooh, they have a safe, which is nice. You don't see that everywhere. Like steam iron, looks like, which is also nice. And a big ironing board. It looks like they also do the services for you at an additional cost. So then we have this huge base here. I don't think it moves. Okay, no, it doesn't move. But this huge space here for luggage, storage underneath, hooks on top. Then we have drawers here, 3 of them. It's very spacious. So lots of room here in comparison to, let's say, a true hotel. Lights throughout. Not even sure what I turned on there, if anything. But there is a TV based off the control. It is not a smart TV, just a basic. It does have this here, which is to dim the lights. So it could go even brighter. A nice swivel chair. I like that it's this material that you can wipe down easier. I do like that a lot. Keeps it cleaner. Our AC right here. Our chair, which does have a couple of stains, and I'm picky, so I wouldn't even sit on it, to be honest. But let's see our view. There's some sort of yucky stain there. There's yucky stains here. Nothing that people should even be touching, so the fact that it's dirty is kind of gross. Because this is the only thing we should be touching, if I'm not mistaken. That looks like it's on the inside. I'm not even sure what's going on there. If it's on the outside, I don't even know. But this is our view outside. It's raining currently quite hard. Not much to look at all around here. I don't even know. I think we're on the side of the building. 2 of them. There's this. I like that gives you a little bit more darkness. But I don't like that people always have to touch things that aren't meant to be touched because they get nasty like this. And then the cleaning crew should have done something. It is fabric, but it looks like it's the kind that could be cleaned. So I will take my Lysol wipes, and if I'd find it to be totally disgusting, I will let you know. It is time to check the beds. Like I said, I have 2 queens. Here they have a traditional phone. Alarm doesn't seem to be on. It's an open space with the Bible. Or Book of Mormons. I'm not even sure which one it is. The bed overall looks clean. Let's double check. No new stains, no gross stains. All right, let me check the other bed. Nope. Nothing wrong here as far as I can tell. Let me do the other side because it's only fair to do both sides. And it looks clean. So yeah, this is the room. Very spacious. Lots of room for storage, which is great. I love that the fridge was super duper cold. So that'll be good to store our things and hopefully keep them from spoiling, since with keto I try to bring a lot of fruits and meats and snacks that I can eat. So there's that. We'll show you breakfast in the morning.
Alright, so down here for breakfast, let's see what we got. We got milk, yogurts, boiled eggs, some cereal, oatmeal, biscuits and gravy, scrambled eggs, bacon and turkey sausage. Then we got OJ, pancake machine. We've got bagels and muffins and stuff. And of course the famous, world famous Holiday Inn cinnamon rolls. This is our breakfast spread. Looks pretty good, guys.
So here's our breakfast. They had both turkey sausage links and they had biscuits and gravy. I just added it to the eggs to give it a little flavor. Some bacon. The famous cinnamon rolls. The eggs are mine, but they did have some boiled eggs. This plate is similar. They had these Oiko yogurts, these fruit cups, which I like because they didn't have fresh fruit, or I didn't think I saw any, but at least they gave you the option of getting fruit. They had Dannon yogurt, and the little one was eating that, I guess.
So this is going to wrap up our stay here at the Holiday Inn Express in Greensburg, Indiana. We had a pretty good stay here, I would say. I mean, all the beds were comfortable. We slept pretty good. The shower, a little bit of low water pressure, but the shower was clean. The room was very clean. We didn't have any issues with the room at all. So if you're passing through Indiana on Interstate 74 and you happen to find yourself in Greensburg and need a place to stay, we would recommend coming and staying here. It was cheaper than some of the other options in the area, which Holiday Inn Expresses usually tend to be. And I would say this was definitely a very, very good hotel stay. So if you enjoyed this type of video, make sure you check out our hotel video playlist, because we review hotel rooms everywhere we've stayed. So we've got them from all over the entire country at this point. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Leave us a comment down below. If you're in Indiana, where would you stay? Any other recommendations in this area? So as a bonus, we actually went to a restaurant. So we got into town a little earlier last night, so we went and had dinner at El Reparo. It's a Mexican restaurant about 5 to 10 minutes from the hotel is all. Very, very good food. We would recommend eating there as well if you're passing through. So if you're in this area, we got you set up for dinner in a hotel now. Alright guys, hit that notification bell so you're alerted every time we post a new video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Have safe travels. We'll see you soon.